Check this shit out.
As I wake up in this cold world that I've been living in, cause nobody be listening to the fact that I'm ripping shit. Ain't this a bitch? I racks and racks got over 9 million hits and I still ain't seen the money, and you expect me to give a shit? I'm sick of this. My own 2 feet is what I'm sticking with, and if you have a problem then I guess you'll have to deal with it. My rhymes are so concealed with it and I could really give a shit. As far as y'all concerned, y'all more boring than the businesses, and I ain't even hearing hits, I'm hearing all this gibberish. Talking about how you a G when you was sweet as licorice. I'm serious, this shit is really getting out of hand. How you talk about Superman and get all them fans, or rap about some Vans or your pretty boy swag? Man, that shit just makes me laugh when I hear it in the lab, cause I'm coming with some hardest shit and this is just the start of it. And if you ask me, y'all lucky to be a part of it, or be a target like Oscar Grant, to where you feel helpless against my lyrics to the point to where you piss your pants. Excuse my French, I'm just expressing how I feel, and how these rappers just gotta know somebody to get a deal. Plus nobody can keep it real, so therefore they got no skills. So if you add them rappers up, they nothing but chains and grills, while I'm working my ass off to pay my damn bills. This is my letter to the industry expressing how I feel. Shout out to my boy Wayne for doing the damn thing. Over 1 million albums sold in only 7 days. And shout out to my boy Drake with a flow you can't break. He's like cars with bad brakes. He goes, he don't wait. So I respect it and waiting for his record release, cause when he rap, he always sound like he lecturing me. And don't trip, just believe in faith and you see that someday soon you will see his son more than a week. And shout out to Jay-Z for being a good example. If you keep doing the shit, then them haters will dismantle. It's the same damn thing when the train comes right at you, cause their intentions is to remain, to sidetrack you, cause they can't obtain flame, so they have to all act the same in this game. It's all factual and ludicrous. I heard your shit since I was little, bruh. Getting little bucks, seated players slap and stick 'em up. And shout out to Big Sean like is this last. It makes me feel good to see a rapper gassing with class. And shout out to Wiz Khalifa and his tattoos. No offense, bruh, but I really wanna match you. I just bought an ounce, my nigga, now what about you? I know you got a stash bigger than mine, I wouldn't doubt you. I been blowing trees, I just wanna blow with you. Maybe make a song, and if it slapped it, make more with you. We could drink cold liquor, hand roll more swishes, and make more songs so we can get this dough quicker. Cause I'm sicker than the average, born a straight savage, California boy with Bay Area standards. It's your boy Tone, I'm something you can't handle. Trying to get in the game, but it's feeling like a gamble. So I'ma scramble all these people around and show the crowd how it gets down when I'm in town. I'm never playing around, cause I got business to attend to. Staying on the grizzy while you suckers all pretend to. And my bad if I sounded aggressive, I just felt like your people wasn't getting the message. So if you get it now, then Lord knows it's a blessing. And if you give me a chance, I'm here to teach them a lesson. So don't worry about the past, cause I'm all about progression, which is why I wrote this letter as a hip-hop session. Yeah, two-tone.